Hello, my name is Carolyn Bergen of Bergen and Associates Counselling. We work with a lot of couples at Bergen and Associates Counselling. When people come, we ask them to come together for the first session as a couple, and we have a chance to explain a little bit about the process and to hear about your experience of the relationship and just for you to tell your story. It gives us a chance to see what's happening in the relationship and to begin to develop some idea of where we want to go. Often when people come for counseling, one person is a lot more hesitant than the other, and we want to hear what those hesitations are and make sure that nobody feels railroaded or misunderstood. When we establish the goals, we want to make sure that everybody agrees on them together. Often one of the goals that people will mention is we want to work on our communication skills. And I find that kind of funny actually, because these people are often great communicators at their work or with the rest of their family or their friends. It's in their relationship that they have trouble communicating. And what it often is more of a problem of connection than communication. And so if we can figure out the patterns that create disconnection and find a way for the couple to be able to be a safe haven for each other, for them to be able to be responsive to each other, then we're able to improve that connection, and then the communication just naturally flows from that. At the end of the session, we're going to check in to see what was helpful in the session and what maybe felt uncomfortable or what didn't have a chance to get said or what felt misunderstood. And it's really important for us to hear about that so that we can make subsequent sessions work even better for you. After that first joint session, we'll meet with each of you individually for a session, and that will give us a chance to hear about your experience without you feeling like you have to edit your comments because the other person is listening. And it really gives us a chance to hear you and for you to get to know the therapist and the therapist to get to know you, which is really important for later work. After that, generally sessions are held together, although the pattern can vary depending on what's best for each couple. And there what we're doing is we're looking at finding ways of removing the barriers of disconnection to allow the two of you to reconnect in the way that you once did. People ask how long they will need to come to therapy, and it's kind of like a car. If you take your car in at the first sign of a little rattle, then just a session or two, couple sessions, and things can be good to go again. Other times you kind of leave that rattle and it turns into a clunk, and then the whole transmission needs an overhaul. And those situations take longer, and we'll work together with you to get to reach the goals that you would like. Whatever the case is, we would welcome you to come to Bergen and Associates Counseling for couple therapy. Call us.